So I came out here today hoping that I could get some nice shots of the sun going down back there. Looks really pretty. But something kind of unplanned happened. But yeah. So I was trying to follow this little river here, but I kind of didn't realize that there are branches in the way right there. So yeah, I kind of crashed and the drone fell straight into the water. So I was kind of looking for it. Oh, that's gonna be hard to survive from. Let's see. Oh, this is so cold. Oh my god. Hi, my baby. So you're probably dead. So this is crazy. I just kind of got it out of the water and it was still plugged in and it just beeped on again. It just beeped on again. And if I plug it in at the moment, you'll see. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? So, yeah. She's tripping a bit, but I think it'll take a few days and she'll be fine again. She'll be up and running. So, yeah. These drones are tougher than one might think. But even the toughest needs some time to recover. So get well soon. You'll be fine. I hope. So, first little status update. This is like 2 to 3 hours after the crash. As you can see, if we plug it in, stuff is functional. And even better, she beeps again. So it's been a full day since the crash happened. Check this out. So yeah, she recovered. One tough little drone. And all she needed was a little bit of time. Maybe sometimes we all need a little time. Stay positive. See you in the next one.